Write a letter to your friend describing the city you live in. 25 February 2025, T.R. Mashood. It's a great pleasure to receive a letter from you. I am sorry I haven't written for a long time. I was busy with preparation of exam. However, in your letter you wanted to know about the city where I live in. Now I like to let you know about it. I was born and have grown up in Myeongshing. It is one of the oldest city in our country. The city is the center of the surrounding six districts like Tangail, Mymensingh, Sherpur, Netraguna, Jamalpur, and Kisharganj and Mymensingh. It stands on the right bank of the old river Brahmaputra. Its former name was Nasirabad. Its area is 21.73 square km. Its present population is 0.415 million. About 16% population of the city is literate. The principal occupations of the adult males in the city are in the business and service area. This city is known as a century of secularism. My city is also well known for the educational institution like Bangladesh Agricultural University, Mymensingh Medical College, Jatia Kobi Kazi Nazrul Islam University, and Mymensingh Girls Cadet College. Also, it is related with a rural Bollard College, Mymensingh Gitika. The city is located about 120 kilometers north of Dhaka, which is the capital of Bangladesh. The communications channel with the capital city and other part of the country are both road and railway. I feel proud of my city. I hope we will spare some time to visit this place right soon and give regards to uncle and auntie. What best wish? Yours sincerely, Hashim. From to Hashim, 18th. Saimansaran Road, Rai Road, Northern Bazar, Mymensingh, 2020, 102. 2. MD Masud Karim, Kataltalai, Mirzaganj, Potuakhali. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my YouTube channel and follow my Facebook page.